Tired of lightning cables that fray or break after just a few months? What if you could get a cable tough enough to keep up with your busy lifestyle and still charge your devices reliably? This Kevlar fiber reinforced lightning cable promises exactly that: strength and longevity without sacrificing performance. One user shared that they've been on their third cable in 4 years, using just this one type at home and in their truck. That's a clear sign of durability that beats most alternatives. The Kevlar reinforcement means the cable resists fraying and damage, even with daily use and rough handling. Another review highlights that this is the only non-Apple cord they trust for consistent charging. Many cables fail near the connector, but this one holds strong, making it a smart investment. You get a reliable connection every time, which matters when you need your phone ready to go. At under $20, this cable offers excellent value. One buyer was so impressed with their first purchase that they immediately bought a second. It's rare to find a cable that balances quality and price so well, especially one built to last. If you're worried about cords breaking quickly, this cable stands out as the most rugged option. One husband, known for destroying cables quickly, found this one lasting over 3 months, longer than any other he's tried. That's proof it can handle real-world wear and tear. What you get is more than just a charging cable. It's peace of mind knowing your devices will charge without interruption, no matter how tough your daily routine is. The Kevlar fiber adds a layer of protection that extends the life of the cable significantly. If that's you, someone who needs a dependable, long-lasting lightning cable, this is worth a look. It combines durability, affordability, and consistent performance in a way few others do. Don't settle for cables that won't keep up. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging game. This Kevlar reinforced lightning cable isn't just a purchase, it's a solution for anyone tired of replacing flimsy cords. Experience the difference in quality and reliability today.